Now I'm making amala. That's what we call it in Yoruba. This is plantain flour, green plantain flour. They make this by drying the green plantain, not the skin. They take the skin off and dry the green plantain in sun and then powder it, crush it, grounded it, into a powder. So this is plantain flour, and I'm gonna make a swallow like fufu, plantain fufu to eat my. I'm gonna use my ogbono soup to eat it. So you bring water to a boil, and then you add this to it and stir it. Okay? Look like the water is a lot, however, I don't want it to be too hard, and at the same time, I wanted to save some for another time. So that's why I'm making a lot. See? Too soft, so I don't like mine too soft. See? And Sunday, I'm gonna show you how to make peanut butter soup. So this is done. I'll have to just get what I want, the one that I'm gonna eat, into a plate and start to eat. Thanks for watching.